Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to quickly convert units using your keyboard on Vivo Y28. To convert units using your keyboard, go to any app that you can type in, so it's gonna be either messages or any communicator app or maybe notes. I'm gonna go to notes, and then you can type in any any value with a number, double tap on it. So it selects. Now it's selected, click on convert, and you can see it converts it to meters by default, but you can click here to change the unit to, for example, inches, and then you'll see the value here. You can double tap on it to copy it, then you can paste it. So let's say that it is equal to inches, and you can save it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.